Copy, black line flush 6.7 after your 2 hand start for 8.7 total turns, black line flush on M28. Roger, you can stow your PGT, and Kayla, those same PGT settings will use to torque M1 through M4. Alpha 2, clock 2.
She's doing that. I'm going to put the pit pin in up here.
Alpha 2, clock 2, set.
Copy, you have a go to drive. Copy, M1 through 4 to torque. And Roger, you can install that grounding pit pin to the grounding block. One minute to handover. Roger, you can get a nice long glove check. We'll take a happen gauntlet check on the other side. And Kayla, you can drive M1 through M4 to torque at Alpha 2, clock 2.
M1, green light, 3.7, 4 turns.
4 turns, green light M1. $30 seconds to hand over.
Green light, 4 turns, 3.7 on the torque, M2.
M2, 4 turns, green light. Right in the middle of the bag.
How are we doing relative to timeline, Ike?
AV1, AV2, you're about 15 minutes ahead. Slow and steady.
Very nice. Here.
All right, ready for the blower.
And Roger, you're going to ret to the handrail stanchion closest to the clevis end of the right lower strut.
Okay. Can you tip it towards the back cap or towards the center? And then a little towards me. I've got a hand on it, don't have control yet. Now I've got control. And you set the handrail closest to the clevis?
Stay firm. Handrail stanchion nearest the clevis end.
And Ike, am I good to start translating around?
Once he does the ret swap, you're going to have to release the bag ret.
I've got my ret on it. It's coming back to you.
Yep.
We know how far.
And then Kayla, you can translate to the mass canister right side sob launch bracket. We recommend going outboard of the mass canister to the radiator side, and please fair lead so that your tether stays off of the BGA. You can good M20, good M20. You can stow your PGT and release that right lower strut ret.
The pit pin is in.
We know you got the pit.
On the upper strut here, the ret is released.
Perfect. Good ret. Did you say the MLI is in work and the pit pin we heard you install?